फिर से स्वागत है एनडीए बेडीजी में प्रोफेसर फोगाट आपका स्वागत। कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के सवाल मैंने पहले वीडियो में किए थे, उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए पुराने सवाल प्रीवियस के सवाल मैं करना चाहूँगा। पहला सवाल मुझे यहाँ पर आ रहा है, वो सवाल ये है द कोऑर्डिनेट, मैं शॉर्टकट बताऊंगा सवालों के। द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर, फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर drawn from 2 and 3 on the line x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0 is, choices are what is the point? Here is the point 2 3 and this is a line. Here this is the foot of the perpendicular downward. The choices are minus 6 and 5 and then 5 6 and 5 and 6 and this is equal to minus 5 and 6. Well friends, यहाँ पर सवाल इसको पहला जो पॉइंट फुट ऑफ दी ये फुट है वो इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा। आप उसको रखेंगे सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो, ये सेटिस्फाई करता है, दिस इज नॉट द आंसर। ये सेटिस्फाई करता है ये वाला, तो ये वाला दो ये आंसर हो सकते हैं बिकॉज दे सेटिस्फाइड। सेकेंड बात ये है कि इसका स्लोप क्या है। इसका स्लोप इस लाइन का स्लोप है माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स अपॉन दिस -1 है, तो इसका जो भी यहाँ पर स्लोप हो, जो भी इसका स्लोप होगा वो 1 आना चाहिए क्योंकि इनका प्रोडक्ट 1 होना चाहिए। तो मैं रख के देख रहा हूँ 6 और 5 का, 6 और 5 देखूंगा तो यहाँ 4 डिवाइड बाई 2 आता है। दिस इज नॉट द आंसर, आंसर इज दिस। हम चॉइस करके देख सकते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी देख के किस प्रकार के हम कर सकते हैं। ये हमारा शॉर्टकट तरीका है। जो बेसिक तरीका होगा वो क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी बेसिक वन टू गो। पहले आप एक 2 3 से लाइन खींचेंगे, 2 3 से लाइन खींचेंगे जो इसके परपेंडिकुलर होगी। परपेंडिकुलर वो होगी तो यहाँ पर हम परपेंडिकुलर क्या करते हैं, ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0 के जो भी लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होती है इसको एक्सचेंज करते हैं, b इंटू एक्स और प्लस की जगह माइनस करते हैं और यहाँ पर प्लस लैम्डा लगाते हैं। ऐसी लाइन होगी जो इसके परपेंडिकुलर होंगी और वो इनफाइनाइट होंगी, थोड़ी मोटी नहीं होंगी, इनफाइनाइट होंगी। और ये इनफाइनाइट होंगी तो हम इसको देख सकते हैं आराम से, तो ये वाला इनफाइनाइट कर सकते हैं। ओके डन। अब हम इसको इनफाइनाइट को हम सवालों को हम देखें, इनफाइनाइट करें तो ये थोड़ा सा मैं इनफाइनाइट करेंगे तो कैसे निकालूंगा। अब यहाँ इक्वेशन जो आएगी उसके परपेंडिकुलर जो है वो x माइनस वाई प्लस लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 0, ये इससे पास करती है तो 2 माइनस 3 प्लस लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 0, therefore लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 1। तो लाइन आ गई x माइनस वाई प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 और ये लाइन इससे कट करती है, वो पॉइंट आपने पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है। सॉरी दोनों को जोड़ेंगे -10 तो x की वैल्यू 5 आ गई। आपने x इज इक्वल टू 5 चॉइस में देखनी है और 5 आ गई तो यहाँ y इज इक्वल टू 6 तो पॉइंट दिया। ये दूसरा तरीका है। एक हम शॉर्टकट से देख लें वो तरीका है, दूसरा हमारा तरीका जो हम बेसिकली कन्वेंशन से निकाल सकते हैं वो तरीका। चॉइस इज योर टू डू। हमारा सवाल था ये, एक सवाल ये था कि दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन एनडीए। सो एक अगला सवाल नंबर दूसरा आज की वीडियो का हम सवाल जो करना चाहते हैं दोस्तों वो है ये सवाल है कि एक लाइन है, एक लाइन पासिस थ्रू जो 1 और 2 से पास करती है और सच दैट वो जो है y इंटरसेप्ट बनाती है ऑन नेगेटिव साइड, y इंटरसेप्ट 5 बनाती है ऑन नेगेटिव साइड में और इट मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ 120 with the positive direction of x-axis, with the positive direction of x-axis ये बनाती है दोस्तों। what will be the equation will be, this is here is the it makes here passes through, this makes an angle of 120 degree and it passes through a point such that, sorry friends, the question is not that, it is a question I just got the question. This does not pass through this. A line says that it does not pass through. Okay, sorry friends, it does not pass through. It is makes y and 1. But there is no need to go for this point. So here we got one angle, therefore the slope is given is equal to tangent 120. 120 means tangent 180 minus 60 is equal to what? Tangent 60 is under root 3 minus under root 3. Second quadrant. It passes through a point. Point is minus 5. This is equal to what here? This intercept is equal to minus 5. It means here the y is equal to here this one. The point is on this one. Here x is equal to 0 and this is minus 5. This point. So what the equation of the line will be equal to? The equation of passing through this point y minus y1 is equal to minus under root 3 into x minus 0. And this is the answer, friend, under root 3x plus y plus 5. This is one of the choices that is given here. This is choice number 8 itself. This is given. Oh, under root 3x plus y plus 5 is the answer. This is the answer to. So this was the question. The one question I was writing that passes through the point 1, 2 here, passes through the 1, 2, such that the question is the passing through. This is another question that I just was writing. This is passing through 1, 2, such that its intercept between the axis is bisected by the P, is bisected at P, is choices are x plus 2y is equal to 5, B x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, C x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and D is equal to 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a line passing through the 1, 2, and this is the choices. Friend, first of all, I choose 1, 2, 3 passing through 1, 2. Yes, it can possible. 1, 2, yes, possible. 1, 2, and 1 and 2. All line pass through 1, 2. I cannot have this. Okay. So the all passes through the 1, 2. I cannot just stop any of the choices. All choices are satisfying 1, 2. Now he says that this line passing through this is point A, this is point B. B is the point which bisected. This is the intercept made by this line. The AB is the intercept made by the line here. AB is the intercept made this one. And this intercept, this intercept, here is the line, this is AB, and this point is equal to 1 and 2. Let me take this intercept A, so this point is equal to A0. Let me take this one, this is equal to 0B. Therefore, 0 plus A divided by 2 is equal to 1. This is midpoint, therefore A is equal to 2. And 0 plus B by 2 is equal to this, therefore B is equal to 4. My answer is equal to what? What is the equation of line? X upon A plus Y upon B is equal to 1. My equation is x upon x intercept 2 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Take the LCM, 2x plus y is equal to 4. That's the answer. 2x, this is the answer. They're taking the LCM 4 here. We got the LCM taken here, and that is the answer to go. This is the answer. There 4 LCM here, 4 LCM, 2x plus y is equal to 4. That's the question. So here is the question, a line is there, it passes through the 1 and 2, and this 1 and 2 is bisect the intercept between this. I took this intercept A, this is B, and therefore I will be using the intercept form of the line. This is quickly I will write down A plus 0 divided by 2 is this, and this is equal to. I hope you understand the question. I am doing the question based on this and revising straight line. The straight line I am revising. This I hope you can understand the question, what type of simple question they ask. My next question is, this is the one question we are done. The next question is the reflection of, I'll tell the shortcut of this question. Reflection of the point 4 minus 1 about the line, the line is 5x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0 is, choices is -1 minus 14, B is the answer is 3 and 4, and C the choice is 0 and 0, 0, 0, and D is equal to 1 and 2. He says the reflection of the point about this line is equal to what? Friend, what if this is the line here, this line is 5x plus 6, and this is the point whose reflection I want to find. Property of reflection is this must distance from here is this, and line joining the image to the point is always perpendicular to this one. Okay. I want to find this point. This point A dash reflection. Okay, I don't want to solve the question. I want to do first of all reflection. I want to choose the choice लिखूंगा, choice करूंगा, choice के बेस पे मैं आंसर निकालूंगा. मान लो मैं ये -1 और -14 लेता हूँ. इसका कितना स्लोप है? इसका स्लोप -5 है. इसका परपेंडिकुलर का 1/5 होना चाहिए. क्या इसका स्लोप होता है? y2 minus y1 slope is equal to this minus 13 divided by this into this. No answer, no. I'll put the second one 3 and 4, this minus this 5 divided by 1, this is equal to 5, not the answer. 0, 0 if I take 0 minus 1, 1 upon 4, not the answer. This is my answer. This means this is my answer left. The answer is 1 and 2. This answer must be there. Here I do the question again, friend. I want to do again. I want to say you again this question. The choices I'll write again. The question is 4 minus 13. If I take 4 minus 13, this is the one. This point is 4 and minus 13. A, and its reflection I want to find out in the examination, and here the choices are this line 5x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0, its slope is equal to -5, therefore its slope must be 1/5. Choices are -1 minus 14. Let's look at this one. What is slope? This minus this is equal to -1, this minus this -5, 1/5 आ गया. This was the only answer, -1 and -14. My choice was, because this question I just had -13 here, I wrongly written. So this slope is this one. This reflection has been perpendicular. इसका slope -5 है, तो 1/5 होना चाहिए. Second बात ये होना चाहिए, दोनों का मिड पॉइंट should satisfy it. दोनों का मिड पॉइंट 4 minus 5, 3/2, and this plus this minus 27/2 must satisfy this equation. This equation must be satisfied. Well, let's start. Let's see what it is. It is equal to 15/2 minus 27/2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Should be 0. Okay, let's do here. 15 minus 27 plus 6 is equal to minus 12/2 plus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 6. Yes, it's satisfied. There are two properties for reflection I want to say. Two reflection property. One property is the point joining the A and A dash, this must be perpendicular to the mirror. That perpendicular to this line, number 1. Number 2, midpoint of this. Number 2, midpoint of A dash must satisfy the mirror. That is the true question. That was the question here. So I had this question. Now I go to one question which was asked in 2019 of second in this. That was slightly difficult question to go, but I like to say the distance of the point 1 and 3 from the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Measure parallel to 4x plus y is equal to 4 is. The question is 5 by under root 13, b 3 upon under root 17, c is equal to under root 17 and d is equal to under root 17 by 2. The question is, let's ponder over the question. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं, सोचते हैं क्या कहना चाहते हैं. सवाल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द पॉइंट, ये डिस्टेंस, ये एक लाइन है, ये लाइन है, यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट है 1 और 3. हमारा डिस्टेंस ये नहीं पूछ रहा, नो. ही से आपने जो सवाल पूछना है, डिस्टेंस मापना है इसका, वो उस लाइन के पैरेलल. किस लाइन के पैरेलल? ये डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन 4x प्लस y माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसके पैरेलल खींच के ले जाना है और मुझे ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट, ये डिस्टेंस निकालना है. ये डिस्टेंस कैसे निकालूंगा मैं पहले पॉइंट बी निकालूंगा और फिर इसका डिस्टेंस निकालूंगा. ये बी पॉइंट कैसे निकालूंगा? इस लाइन का, और जो लाइन पैरेलल खींचूंगा, जो इसके पैरेलल खींचूंगा, ये लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालूंगा, उसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालूंगा और फिर इसका डिस्टेंस निकालूंगा. What is parallel line to this? This is 4x plus y plus lambda is equal to 0. It passes through 1 and 3, therefore 4 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 7. So line is equal to minus, this is the line, here is the line which is parallel to this. And this line intersect 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Solve this. Let's solve. Make it 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Subtract minus 5y and plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1 here, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1, when y is equal to 1, put 1 here, then this is equal to x is equal to 3 by 2. The point is 3 by 2 and 1. Now difference of this from 1 and 3 will determine my this. This is equal to half, this is equal to 1 by 4 plus 4 under root is equal to 17 by 4 under root 17 by 2. That's the question. My friends, distance of this point from the line from this line, but not straight line, measured parallel to this line. So I will find a line parallel to this and passing through the one. I found this and I found the intersection of these both of them here, and then this intersection we got. Then we find the distance by distance formula. We have got this one to go. ये हमारा सवाल था, ये 2019 एनडीए में पूछा गया था और थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट टाइप था, मुश्किल भी था, लेकिन कोई ऐसी बात नहीं थी. यू कैन डू all you have done 11th class, you have done more difficult questions that way. आइए नेक्स्ट सवाल करते हैं जो कि ट्रिक के साथ. मेरा आखिरी सवाल होगा, लाइन, find the equation of a line passing through the intersection of this line. ये इसके intersection से पास करती है. Find the equation of a line through the intersection of this, through the point of intersection of this and parallel to 4x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. There is a choices 20x plus 25y minus 54 is equal to 0. B 25x plus 20y minus 54 is equal to 0. 4x plus 5y. This is the question in the examination. This is equal to, this was again in the one of the question that was in the NDA exam. Fine, I have done the question in my earlier video that how to find the equation of a line which is passing through the intersection of two given line means we will have the one equation, this one here, 3x plus 2y is minus 6 is equal to 0. Another one is 2x plus 3y is minus 6 is equal to. Any line passing through the intersection of these two lines is given by this plus lambda into 2x, this one here. And now this is parallel to this, Therefore, parallel to this, therefore slope of that must be equal to minus 4 by 5. Now, what is the slope of this? Is the 1, 2. Now, parallel to this, the slope must be. What is slope of this? Must be slope of this. Slope is the minus coefficient of x 3 and plus 2 lambda. Divide by y, it is equal to 2 plus 3 lambda is equal to. This must equal minus 4 by 5. This is here. 15 plus 10 lambda is equal to 8 plus 12b. This is equal to. Here we go. This is equal to 2 lambda is equal to 7. Lambda is equal to 7 by 2. Put 7 by 2 here. And just check the answer. Which is the going to be answer? A, B, C, D. Dear friend, look at the. I'll take only the x coefficient. I'll find only x. 2 से multiply किया 6 14 20 आया. Okay, 20 here. This is the only answer. This is the only answer. This is the, I checked the one. Second check y करना 4 plus 25 yes. Minus 6 or minus 42 yes. This 7 और 6 bound. This is how I got the answer 54. So I got the answer number 1. I don't know what answer is it. So friend, these are the questions based on the straight line. This is my last video for straight line. Tomorrow I'll start the circle quickly, and after this circle I'll finish circle tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I'll talking about the conic section in a one go, only one go. I'll finish in 2 days because exams are near. Therefore, you can just revise those topics which are in my all videos. We have the binomial, quadratic, series. Everything I have given, I dealt the questions which are going to be asked in the ND. I have a lot of experience of teaching English students. My whole life has dedicated to this. So kindly go through it. Go through and find that you do the exercise. I'll be giving you the full paper, 3-4 full paper afterward. You will find on my website there, and that can be doing the practice. That you wait for 2, 3, 4 days. Only on that I'll be giving the full NDA paper. Thank you.